Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use charts or see charts on your investing.com app. To do so, just open up investing.com, and after opening up the app, you will see you'll be on the coins page. Here you can just search for any kind of coins or even any kind of coins you are interested in. After searching up or selecting the coin, just click on it and you will be taken into the overview option of the coin. Here you can see I selected Bitcoin and it has taken me to a different screen where now all the information, news, technicality of the coin has been available to me. Now to check the chart, you can see it is a real small screen where now we are not accurately able to tell all its data. So now to expand the chart, you just need to click on the two opposite arrows which is right below overview. If you click on it, it will take you to a different screen where now the chart will be sideways on your screen. And after doing this, you can see that the chart is now fully loaded with the full screen. Here you can see the chart is fully loaded on the screen where now you are able to also see all the charts that has happened for the past days, hours or even month. On the top right side of your screen, you can see a cross button. If you click on it, you'll be exit this chart. But if you see on the top left side of your screen, you are able to see 5 minutes, 30 minutes, time frame, to hour, to a day, to month as well. And if you just see beside those dates the option for candlesticks and a line, select any kind you prefer. If you click on the down arrow button, you can see all of these options as well, where you are able to see the chart in all of these forms. Right now we are on the candle form, and this is just an easy process on how you can use your charts to accurate your data about the coin that you're investing in. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.